What would you say if I told you that we're coming out with a gigantic 6-foot long, 72-inch version of our Beast Twin Cat? That's right, and the thing is going to be outfitted with gigantic motors, gigantic ESCs, and you know it's going to be tough as nails because it comes from the people who make the fastest boats on the scene, none other than Oxidean Marine. We're going to make maybe 10 of these. I'm leaning towards 5 this year. Like I said, it's not for everyone, but when this comes out, if you want the baddest boat, the biggest, meanest, the most totally awesome, I would jump on this thing because we're only making a few of them. And like I said, they are totally awesome. We've already been testing and trying this thing out, and we're getting very stable results. This thing will handle super rough water. This is your true big boy's toy. This is for the guy who lives on a lake or a guy that just really wants to have a great time. Stay tuned.